Sometimes you just open your phone looking for one thing and end up discovering a smarter way to handle your dining plans. And that's where this starts to make sense, because the inKind mobile app is built around making restaurant spending feel lighter while still enjoying the same meals you already love. The idea is simple, but the experience feels layered because you're not only browsing places to eat, you're also seeing offers, credits, and perks that connect your wallet to your lifestyle. And as you scroll, the app quietly learns what kinds of spots you prefer, which then makes the suggestions more relevant over time. So, in order to use the inKind mobile app, you have to follow these steps. First, download the app from your app store and open it. And as it loads, you'll be prompted to sign up using an email, Apple ID, or Google account. And once you're inside, you'll notice the clean layout that shows nearby restaurants and featured dining credits. Then you move to setting up your profile, which only takes a minute, but it helps personalize your experience. And from there, you can explore restaurants by location, cuisine, or featured deals. And each listing usually shows photos, descriptions, and the kind of benefits you might receive if you pay through the app. What makes it interesting is how the payment flow connects directly to credits, because instead of just paying and leaving, you're often getting value back in some form, and that creates a loop where dining out feels more strategic without being complicated. You can preload credits when available, and those credits stretch your budget at participating restaurants. And while you're checking a place, you can also see if there are limited time promotions, which sometimes appear quietly but can be worth noticing. The map feature blends into this because you might be traveling or just across town, and finding a partner restaurant nearby can turn a regular meal into a slightly better deal. There are also practical sides to remember, like checking which restaurants in your area accept inKind, because availability can vary. And it helps to read the details on how credits apply, since some offers may have conditions, yet the app usually explains them clearly. The support and help sections inside the app guide you if something feels unclear, and that reduces friction, which matters when you're at a table ready to pay. Over time, as you keep using it, the habit forms naturally, and you stop thinking about it as a special app and more like part of how you dine out. And then you realize the small savings and perks have quietly added up while you were just choosing places to eat and trying different menus. And anyway, that's probably why some people open it even before deciding where to go, just to see what's possible. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.